Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I am Sagar. In this video, we'll see few important functions, uh, especially related to our form data source. So let me go to front end first. So I'm going to open my cus group form. So I can simply specify here cus group. So if you see currently, you see the editable button is also enabled, the new button is also enabled, the delete button is also enabled. Assume you don't want this particular field inside a form, or altogether you want to make the data source in a particular form, either like it should not be editable, and even you should not able to create a new record, and you should not also delete your record. So basically you want a view kind of a form. So there's a simple trick to achieve this. So the first thing is that you need to understand where actually you need to write code. So what I'm going to do, I will simply open my cursed group form here. Let me open cursed group here, and I will create a code extension. So once I will create code extension, I will create a COC of my init method. So now once this form will be initialized, I'm going to make all these fields as non-editable inside my this form. So I think the class is ready now. So I will focus on my init method. So I can see here public void init as I'm playing with COC. So next call is mandatory. Next init. Yeah, here we go. Now here what we will do, let me define my form data source first. So I will go here, I will say form data source, and I will keep the name as cursed group data source, and I will say cursed group. Okay, actually I don't need this even this, because I'm creating a COC of my init, so I'm directly getting the object here, like the data source object. So I can say cursed group data source, this one, dot allow edit. I'll keep it as false. Let me save this. I'll second cursed group data source dot allow grade, and I will say this as false. And similarly, I will say cursed group dot data source dot allow delete is also false. So let me save this and run this code. So here our build is completed. Okay. Yeah, so if you see here, all the new delete and edit button, they all are wiped out here. So if you open any, you will not able to do any transaction inside this form. We can achieve the same functionalities using the form data source properties as well, but in this video we are focused on this, how we can write code for this. So thank you for watching this video.